Hey yo, it's your boy Wamudimu, aka the Fashion Philosopher. Welcome to another hot episode of Shela Entertainment. And you know what it is? It's a boy, he meets a girl, he Shela's a boy. We see if he has Kwababa or not. Anyways, today I'm with a nice, beautiful lady, but she will intro herself, because what do you mean?
Hey guys, my name is Nikki, aka Marty Jane on all socials. Hey.
So Nikki,
Mm-hmm.
the reason you are here today is because niggas out there are doing pop when they're supposed to share, lah, bro.
You know, like there.
What do you mean? Do you agree with that?
I do agree.
Damn, shit is tough. What are these niggas doing? What are these niggas saying, bro?
Niggas
Like,
be lacking for real, dog. Like, oh, you
bro,
don't understand how they're moving now.
they're moving funny. Like everywhere I go, TikTok, Instagram, like girls be saying, "I these niggas don't know how to share
Why
that.
are
These
they
niggas
trying
are
too
not doing
hard?
it." What do you mean they're
Why
trying
are
too
they
hard,
trying
bro?
too hard, bro?
Explain, Payla. How?
Like,
Give me
why
the
are you
tea.
blowing up DMs where you can just say hi? Like, just be chilled about it. Why are you overthinking?
You guys might us. That's why we double text, triple text. I send you one text on IG. Hi, how you doing? Then
But
you
like,
might. What do you expect me to do as a gent?
but like that, like, is more reason for you to get ghosted, bro. There's no way that you're just gonna like triple text me like that, knowing very well that I don't like a nigga that tries too hard. Oh, what dog? Mm-mm.
Damn. So you just want things to be easy, like to just flow,
Simple.
and that's that.
Yeah, cause like I don't like stress. I
Oh
don't like
shit.
a nigga who
So
gives me
so you're
stress.
saying niggas are stressing? Damn. I take offense to that, bro. Like, what do you mean?
I was
It's
supposed
not.
to dog.
It's not all the niggas. Thing is, you guys are being stereotypical, bro. Like, and sometimes you misjudge a nigga because of your past and shit and shit and shit and shit.
Whoa,
Like being
petite,
for real, being for real, bro.
petite,
Like being
double
for real.
petite.
No, like okay, your ex messed up, but you
Yeah.
guys think the future guy is also gonna mess up. What if the future guy is your soulmate? Then we now I could DM and then you miss that guy.
Chum believe what is on me.
Shh.
Yo yo,
Me,
I
I'm a
believe what is on
lava.
me.
I'm a lava,
No,
bro.
that's nice though.
Yeah,
I can't be
yeah.
just.
So stop
I
mising
like
people.
me.
Yeah, you
I
just
don't
said when
mind them.
you
I
don't
don't
like
mind
people who
them.
triple text. The reason we triple text is because you mised.
Nah, I just can't find my type.
What's your type?
Someone who's like me, flirtatious. I like a nigga who just goes into your DMs and be like, be all flirty and like go along with it. Cause if you're gonna lose the flow, dog.
Wait, from the get go, the nigga has to be
Yeah,
like from the get go.
yeah, you
First
gotta be
text and
sexy with it. Gotta be sexy with it.
damn, that shit is crazy, bro. That
What?
shit is crazy. I don't
It's
even think
normal.
there's niggas who even do that, bro. Like from the get go.
That's why they get ignored. That is why they
But
get
bro,
ignored.
listen to my chat. We have never met.
Yeah.
I see you on IG and you expect me to be like hi, then raise you up.
Yeah.
No, that shit is crazy, bro.
You
No
should.
way, no way, bro.
You should.
No, man, that shit is
You gotta
crazy,
try
bro.
it.
How's that even possible, bro?
That's very possible, bro.
So if I just send a nice hi with a heart, then how you doing? You gonna mize me?
I'm gonna think you're desperate.
It's just a simple text. How the fuck am I
Mm.
desperate for
For
just texting?
me, I just feel like you're just desperate to like get something out of me like that. Cause it
But
also seems fake. Like, why had they for eating? We're not even together, bro.
it's
Mm-mm.
just a text saying hi, bro. What do you
Mm-mm.
mean?
I don't like that. I don't like that.
Now you strange. Like it's gotta
I
be said. You weird,
know.
bro. That's some weird
I
shit. Okay,
know.
so one question. What's the craziest thing a nigga has ever done our approach? Like the craziest, wildest thing, bro.
Funny story actually. So when was it? It was like 2024 vibes.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
I was
yeah.
living in the east.
Yeah.
Somehow, the weirdest thing that actually happened was he somehow found out where I lived.
Wait,
Yeah,
what the fuck? Stalker
yeah.
type.
Listen,
Shit.
bro, I wasn't even
Shit is
expecting because
crazy.
like I've only seen him once, and already you know where I live.
How's that? Bro, that's weird. That's giving stalker types. How did
At
that
least he
even
came with
happen,
gifts.
bro? What?
He came with gifts.
Wait, so you
Mm,
guys have never met?
he literally brought a bouquet and a chocolate.
He never said hi.
He never said hi to
He
me
just
ever.
pulled up to your house and was
But it
like,
was weird
I
in
bought
a
flowers and
way.
chocolate. And now
It
you
was
were
weird.
happy, I'm sure, for those flowers and
Yeah, I took that.
You saw.
took that, but like I said no.
So okay, you said no to
I
what?
said no.
Wait, you
To
took the
him.
bouquet and the chocolate,
Yeah.
then you still said no.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fake. Yo, yo,
It's
yo,
not
yo. No, that
fake.
shit is
It's
fake.
not fake. It's not fake.
If I was the nigga, I was gonna be like, give me my shit back. Cause what do you mean?
Oh.
Call me after I went out and.
KG. But it was weird though, cause like
Oh, niggas.
I don't know you at all.
Oh,
Dog.
niggas, you all heard banyana batloli user. So don't go buying gifts for girls for no reason, bro. If how call me, take those gifts back. Cause what do you mean you spend a lot of money? Anyways, it's your boy Wamurimu, aka the fashion philosopher, and we've come to the end of our show. If you are out there looking for a soulmate, for someone, for a lover or something, just DM us on Instagram, which is wamudimu underscore, and we'll actually call you and you don't know, you can find yourself a soulmate or something, bro. You know what I'm saying? So that's a wrap from me to you. See you guys next time, same place, same time. Danko.
That was